I'm just really... Oh my gosh, my hair though. I look really oily right now. I'm sorry. Yung sabi niya na... Asa na ba yung lipstick na yun? Where is that? Oh, ito pala. Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another review for you guys. I know, non-stop reviews. Fashion21 All Day Bronze. This is their matte lipstick. Some of you guys told me that I should get this lipstick because it's a really good lipstick. Plus, when I mentioned na I was looking for a good matte lipstick, someone also suggested this particular line and this particular shade. So, when I went to SM, I decided to get one. This is 175 pesos. The lipstick looks like this. I must say the packaging is really impressive. This is actually my very first Fashion21 lipstick or Fashion21 product in general actually. I have it on my lips by the way, and I also swatch it right here. Wala na akong masasabi, so I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on the lips. Okay, so ilalagay ko na yung lipstick. Na-swatch ko na to sa back of my hand, so wala na yung blue layer niya. Ilalagay ko na siya directly sa lips ko. Again, I always say this, wala akong lip balm, but I do apply lip balm every night before I go to bed. Like this color, you guys. Reminds me of my Mano lipstick na didn't work out on me. The application, hindi siya ganun ka-smooth. Well, it's a matte lipstick. Reminds me of my Bilena matte lipstick, yung the way nag-a-apply siya sa lips ko. Pero the way it applies, mas smoother siya compared sa Bilena. The pigmentation is there, the color payoff is there. Even naman yung pag-apply niya sa lips ko, which is great, and it is matte, like 100% matte. I'm really liking it. It's a perfect everyday color for me. So, it's great. It feels nice on the lips naman. It is now 11:55 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for my update. Hi guys! It is now 5:16 ng hapon, and on my lips, you guys, I am really impressed with this lipstick, longevity-wise, because I had my lunch. Okay, before I had my lunch, I ate lanzones, tapos nag-lunch ako, tapos kumain ako ng snacks. So, 3 beses akong kumain, and then uminom ako ng maraming beses in between. And look at my lips! Bongga! Nandito pa rin yung lipstick ko for the most part. Nag-fade na yung very inner corner lang, as in very slight lang yung fading sa inner corner. Hindi siya ganun ka-obvious at all, which I was really happy about. I wasn't expecting na ganito yung magiging resulta niya sa lips ko. I did notice one downside though, namamalat ng konti yung lips ko, especially sa inner part ng upper at saka lower lip ko. Hindi naman siya ganun kasama tingnan. Hindi naman siya makikita like that distance. Pero malapitan, makikita mo na namamalat ng konti. My lips is well exfoliated because I do apply lip balm every night before I go to bed. I don't have dry lips. So that's one thing to consider, na if you have dry lips, maybe apply lip balm before applying the lipstick because it can be drying. Meron akong konting dryness na nafe-feel sa lips ko. Nothing crazy though. So okay lang siya sa akin. For the most part, okay na okay lang siya sa akin. Guys, it's 175, and kung ganito ka long lasting yung lipstick, I mean, after 3 kainan, I cannot complain. I do not feel the need to retouch right now because as you guys saw, my lipstick is still there, still on point. I mean, the color payoff may not be 100% the same as before. Well, I ate 3 times already. So yeah, what would you expect, right? Anyway, I'm gonna wear this lipstick like this throughout the day, and we'll see how it performs by the end of the day. It is now 9:32 ng gabi. I've had this lipstick on for I do not know how many hours right now. But you guys, I just want to say, it is really good. I had my dinner, pagkatapos uminom ako ng tubig, tapos I ate lanzones, tapos uminom ako ng tea. So yung lips ko, it's been through a lot today. Super a lot. I did not retouch at all. This is what my lips looks like right now. I I am really liking this lipstick. Super, you guys. Para sa akin, mas nagustuhan ko siya kaysa sa Ever Bilena. Gusto ko rin yung Ever Bilena, pero mas nagustuhan ko siya kasi mas naglalast siya sa lips ko. Part of it as well, I'm sure, is because mas lighter yung color niya compared sa Ever Bilena nung na-review ko. Yung shade na yun kasi is like brownish reddish shade. So, medyo nagiging obvious talaga kapag nag-fade out na. This one, nag-fade yung inner part ng lips ko, yung inner corner. But then again, hindi ako nag-retouch at all today. And ang dami ko pang kinain, uminom ako ng maraming beses. So, expected ko na talaga na mag-fade siya. Pero the way it fades on my lips, hindi siya ganun kasama at all. Nawala na yung namumuo-muong lipstick na nakita natin kanina. Maybe because I ate a lot already. Yung sabi niya na it's an all-day matte lipstick, I agree. All-day matte talaga siya. Itong shade na to ha, I'm not sure how the other shades will perform. I'm really liking this. I think I'm gonna get more from this line. Let me know kung ano yung other favorite shades nyo from the line. It is one of the best local lipsticks na na-try ko. So, I'm really satisfied. Thank you sa mga nag-recommend nito. And I personally highly recommend this. And yeah, the packaging is really nice. Very sturdy ng packaging. So, yeah, gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you found the video helpful. Please do like if you did. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I upload videos every single day. I mean, I do my best to upload videos every single day. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!